What if I told you? The secret to boosting your immunity, building raw strength, and even cleansing your blood lies in a humble green stick hanging on a backyard tree? Yes, I'm talking about drumsticks, or as Ayurveda calls them, shigru. But here's the real question. Why are millions ignoring this ancient superfood, even as lifestyle diseases skyrocket? In a world addicted to pills and powders, the cure might be growing quietly in your kitchen garden. Today, we uncover the Ayurvedic science, the forgotten power, and a delicious recipe that could change your health story. Stay with me till the end, because this isn't just about food, it's about taking your power back. Let's rewind. Imagine a village elder in South India, 85 years old, straight spine, sharp memory, works in the fields, and eats, guess what? A drumstick curry every single day. Why do we, with modern diets, fancy supplements, and gym memberships, still struggle with weak immunity, brittle bones, and low energy? Quick quiz. How many multivitamins did you pop this week? And how many drumsticks did you eat? Thought so. According to Ayurveda, drumsticks balance all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. They're rich in iron, calcium, and vitamin C, a powerful trinity for strengthening bones, detoxifying the blood, and boosting immunity. In ancient scripts, shigru is described as tikshna, sharp, penetrating. It cuts through toxins, improves digestion, and even clears out sluggish lymph. But wait, here's the twist. Most people eat drumsticks the wrong way. Yes, boiling them to death in a curry and discarding the flesh. It's like buying gold and throwing away the ring. So how should you really consume them for maximum benefits? Let's dive into that in just a moment. But first, here's something most don't know. Drumsticks aren't just for your immunity. They're also a natural aphrodisiac, a strength builder, and a fatigue fighter. This is why traditional Indian athletes, the Kushti wrestlers, consume drumstick leaves in their daily diet. Because drumsticks don't just protect you, they power you. Now Dapa B shell, the part you've been waiting for. A powerful Ayurvedic drumstick recipe that's easy, tasty, and medicinal. Drumstick and green lentil, moong dal tea, rasam, immunity boosting soup. Ingredients: 2 drumsticks cut into 2-inch pieces. 1/4 cup green lentil, moong dal. 1 tablespoon ghee. 1/2 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 clove garlic, anise sunder optional. A pinch of hing, asafoetida. 1 teaspoon tamarind pulp. Curry leaves and coriander to garnish, salt to taste. Instructions: pressure cook the moong dal with turmeric and water until soft. In a separate pot, add ghee, cumin, pepper, garlic, hing, saute till aromatic. Add chopped drumsticks and a bit of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add the cooked lentil, dal, tamarind pulp, asafoetida and salt. Boil for 5 more minutes. Garnish with curry leaves and coriander. Drink it hot, sip by sip. And feel the warmth flow through your veins. This isn't just a soup, it's your ancestral shield against modern ailments. Before you go back to your fast-paced life, ask yourself, are you surviving? Or are you thriving? Drumsticks are not a trend. They're a legacy of wisdom passed down from healers who saw food as medicine. So here's your challenge. Add drumsticks to your diet this week, just once. Feel the shift, then come back and tell me what changed. Comment below. I'm reclaiming my health with Ayurveda. And if you found this eye-opening, share it with someone you care about. Because strength shared multiplies. Subscribe for more ancient wisdom in a modern voice. Until next time, eat with purpose. Live with power.